નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. Adarsh Education Society welcomes you all here.
Now we'll move ahead with another figures of speech, and that is tautology. ઘણી વાર આપણે કહેતા હોય ને ટોટા મારમાં something you are speaking a lie. Here it is not like that. Here it is little bit twisted. What's there? When you explain one idea, the same idea is explained again with different words. Idea is same, and yet it is explained with different words. That is tautology. तेरी मेरी प्रेम कहानी is equal to मेरी तेरी प्रेम कहानी. तेरी मेरी प्रेम कहानी and मेरी तेरी प्रेम कहानी is not different, not at all different. If you think it, that's a repetition. तेरी मेरी मेरी तेरी. Repetition is there. Internal rhyme is also there. तेरी एरी मेरी एरी. तेरी मेरी प्रेम कहानी is equal to मेरी तेरी प्रेम कहानी. What you want to explain, that is prem kahani. Prem kahani is explained with not a way, but in two ways. My prem kahani and your prem kahani. Prem kahani will remain same. Yet it is told. Internal rhyme, repetition, tautology is also there in that line. And so that it is written, when one idea is explained again and again with different wordings, the thing is what? Different wordings. Wordings would be different. Tu mera boyfriend. If I am speaking, you are my boyfriend, then मैं तेरी girlfriend. Then what is the difference? Tu mera boyfriend, मैं तेरी girlfriend. Idea is one. That is explained with different wordings. That is tautology. Got the idea? मैं तेरा boyfriend, तू मेरी girlfriend. What is wrong with that? तेरी मेरी मेरी तेरी. Same only, yeah. Yet it is explained. You see here, one more example I have written. High and high. High and high. Where? Above the sky. High, high. High and high is equal to what? If you have written this high and high, not necessary to explain this above the sky. Yet it is written there. Idea is same. Over the mountain. What is the meaning of over the mountain? High and high. What is the meaning of that? Above the sky. What is the meaning of that? Over the mountain. What is there? In the heaven. Once again. 4 wordings, phrases are used to explain the height in the sky. Got the idea? That is the place to fly. In this way, tautology is explained with different phrase, with a single idea, different meanings. That is tautology. ये पगला है, पगला है, पागल है. ये पगला है, समझाने से समझे ना। पगला है तो समझाने से तो समझेगा ही नहीं, क्योंकि पगला है, पागल है। You have explained it with different meanings, with different wordings. Total target meaning is same. That is tautology. Tautology is really fantastic one. Now one more thing I'll tell you. Why it is used? Most important thing I'll tell you. Tautology is used to make the effect very profound. If you want to make the effect very profound, only two ideas you have, either repetition or tautology. Only and only two ideas you are having, either repetition or tautology. These two are there where you can make your ideas very profound. And so that only this figures of speech tautology as well as repetition is used everywhere, anywhere in the literature. This thing you will keep it in your mind. I'll give you 3 to 5 seconds to have a screenshot so that you can write down it in your book. We'll move ahead with the examples from your text. What's there? It was a dull and gloomy night. The main idea is to explain the night. Night is explained over here. How the night was. It was dull. Pale. Shining night was not there. Dull night was there. Pale night was there. And that was with gloomy. You see, dull and gloomy, both the words explain night. If you would have written it, it was dull night. Over. It was dull. Leave it. It was gloomy night. Then why you have used here dull and gloomy both words together? To make the effect so profound. Then it is used over here. Next to that, marks of weakness. Marks of weakness, marks not in percentage. Identity marks. मानस एकदम थाकी गयो હોય તો એની આઈડેન્ટિટી એના ફિઝિક ઉપર હોય. Marks of weakness and marks of war. Mark of weakness is there. Marks of war is there. Due to war, you are fully tired, you are fully fatigued in mood, and these marks are there on your body. The same thing is written here, marks of weakness. Got the idea? In this way, we are having so many different examples where tautology is explained. Keep it in your mind. Tautology is the best way to make effect very profound. So many other examples also you will get from your text. Try to find out where you are having different examples of tautology, and with that only you would be able to find out, you would be able to understand the same figures of speech. Idea is one, explain with different ways. That is tautology. Got the idea? I'll give you 3 to 5 seconds where you will have the screenshot of the same examples, and that would be best one for you to write down it in your book, and you can learn, you can identify, you can have few more examples of the same figures of speech. Got the idea? Move ahead. I'll give you time to have a screenshot.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining us.